सबसे बड़ी खबर सीआरआर कैश रिजर्व रेशियो जो है वो 1.5% कम होगा कल से। आधा परसेंट पहले कम किया था, अब 1% और 60,000 करोड़ की लिक्विडिटी बढ़ती हुई। हमारे साथ एचडीएफसी के की मिस्त्री इस समय मौजूद है। मिस्टर मिस्त्री, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू। इफ यू कैन शेयर विद अस व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लिक्विडिटी इन्फ्यूजन वुड यू सी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस?
That's about 40,000 crores liquidity infused into the system. But you must take into account the fact that liquidity over the last 1 week has been extremely tight in India, extremely tight. And because of the tight liquidity, RBI has injected more liquidity by reducing the CRR. Now, the justification for the reduction, the justification for the increase in CRR that one had seen a couple of years ago was because at that time there was a lot of dollar flows into the country through FI investment. And because of those dollar flows, the rupee was appreciating and RBI was buying dollars and injecting liquidity into the system, which then sucked out by using the CRR. Now you have an exact opposite situation. You have seen dollars flow out of the country. Foreign institutional investors have been selling equity in India. And because of the dollar flows, the dollar outflows, RBI has been supplying dollars in the market. And when they supply dollars, they are sucking out liquidity from the system.
Right, but now the question that is on everyone's mind is whether lending rates are going to come down or not.
I think the expectation was earlier that lending rates would have gone up if nothing was done. That expectation is benign. I don't think lending rates will not go up from these levels. But will they come down immediately? The answer is probably not at the moment.
जी, हमारे साथ सीएनबीसी आवाज के राइट मार्केट एडिटर भी हैं, वो भी आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं।
Mr. Mistry, we would like to know that is this cut is enough because money market was witnessing a liquidity crunch of 80,000 crores to 1 lakh crore. So 60,000 crores would be released in the market by these actions. So do you think more cuts are required or this would address proper liquidity into the system?
See, immediately I think more cuts are not required, but one has to wait and lay this out over a week or so. You see, also RBI had an auction today. And that auction has also been cancelled. So through that auction, they would have sucked out another, I think, 70,000 crores from the system.
Mm-hmm.
So if the auction is not there, since the auction has been withdrawn, and the CRR cut has happened, I don't think at this moment one would expect a further cut in CRR for some time.
Apart from CRR cut, do you expect further actions from RBI or Finance Ministry to infuse more liquidity into the system? And more importantly, crisis of confidence is seen. So, do you expect more actions which will bring the confidence back into the system?
See, I think this is something which will progressively happen over a period of time. Each measure you take, you wait for a little while, what impact it, and then take a second measure. So, the release of liquidity in the system. See, India never had the subprime problem. The problems which are there in the Western world are not there in India. India's problems were different. India's problem was inflation, and because of inflation, the tightening of liquidity, which will now get, with more liquidity coming in the system, that will benefit.
If you can just share with us, how this will reflect on the balance sheet of the banks, this 1.5% CRR cut going forward?
It will obviously be positive for banks. It will be positive for banks because on the money that we are getting in CRR, we are getting zero return. Now the amount on which they were getting zero return will reduce. Therefore, obviously they will benefit by that.
Right. So just want to understand this. What you're saying is this cut is adequate to meet the liquidity crunch that we're seeing right now, and possibly in
so
future.
It would appear at the moment. One has to wait for markets to settle down. If nothing happens in the market, everything else remains the same. I think it is enough. But if there is more dollar flows out of the country, then one will have to, and RBI again sucks liquidity out of the system, then one will have to take a call.
Thanks a lot, Mr. Mistry, for sharing that view with us. और जैसा फिलहाल वो कहते हुए कि फिलहाल दिक्कत इस समय के लिए तो टाली गई है, लेकिन अगर एफआईज इस तरह से बिकवाली करते रहे तो और एक्शन होगा आरबीआई की तरफ से और ज़्यादा हम देखेंगे।